Healthy snack meal ideas, nutritious and delicious. 1. Greek yogurt and berries. Ingredients. Greek yogurt, mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, honey, optional. Scoop a serving of Greek yogurt into a bowl, top with mixed berries, and drizzle with honey if desired. Two, hummus and veggie sticks. Ingredients. Carrot sticks, cucumber slices, bell pepper strips, cherry tomatoes, hummus. Arrange the veggie sticks on a plate and serve with a generous portion of hummus for dipping. 3. Apple slices with almond butter. Ingredients. Apple slices, almond butter, cinnamon, optional. Spread almond butter on apple slices and sprinkle with cinnamon for extra flavor. 4. Avocado toast. Ingredients. Whole grain bread, ripe avocado, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, optional. Toast the bread, mash the avocado and spread it on the toast, and season with salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Five, trail mix. Ingredients. Mixed nuts, almonds, walnuts, cashews, dried fruits, raisins, cranberries, apricots, dark chocolate chips. Mix all ingredients together and portion into snack-sized servings. These healthy snack meals are perfect for keeping you fueled throughout the day. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.